Guess what we're up to now? We're now going to machine a pin, and this has been a problem for years at the museum.
Show
us what you made.
Okay, so this is a collar
Okay,
that's going to lock onto that on the end of the shaft,
like that.
and then we're going to put a hardened steel bushing in that,
Okay.
and that will keep us centered on the shaft.
And why do we need all this apparatus? What are we drilling
Because
here?
we have to put, well, like this is a
Oh, beauty.
little tool for balancing the stone. It's going to sit on the top of
I
the shaft.
love it.
And when we get it ready, then we'll have a different style for
Operation.
But this is going to sit in the top of the shaft.
But really, the reason we're doing this is because this is wrought iron, and you can hit hard chunks. I actually tried to drill it, and of course I hit something and the drill started wandering. So Pete made all this stuff so that he can drill a perfectly centered, and then he's going to make a couple different shapes of these for running or balancing. So you can see how much we were off-centered, right? Parts of the hole drilling there. And of course all of these things make a huge not a huge difference, but they're all accumulated, right? We've done a ton of work downstairs. Now we're going to make this thing whistle Dixie. That's a lot nicer. Okay, so we're just going a little deeper. So our balancing points. And so what these do, so I have to balance the runner stone. And so this will sit, what we're making sits right in here. You see that? That's the part we're making. This is for balancing the stone. And for the runner stone, it's a half circle. So this will let us pivot the stone, right? And then add the weights. You see, we need to add weights and get that balanced. It isn't balanced right now. There's also pockets inside the stone that allow us to place weights. For the, that does a nice static balance. And then we have to do a dynamic balance, and that's where we just set the laser right beside the stone while it's running, and then go way across, and we can see the line move way over there, and we can add weights around the stone to get it dynamically balanced. Kind of a cheap version of your wheel balancing machines and stuff. I guess I should lower it down a little before we get to that part, right? What are we hitting? So there's our balance. You can see that, right, there we go. We can add weights now. Okay, so now I'm going to say, we'll run there. Nothing's touching. Okay, we can put the weight. We can now turn this on. No, but I want you to see it start, right? Let me get the speed right.